On today's Enclosure Talk, we're taking a look at some sexy arcades. That's right, sexy arcades. These are 36 by 24 by 24 enclosures. This one has the white PVC body with black front and rear panels. Got the chrome gold Focus Cubed logo. Black knobs on CNC contoured doors. Black hardware. Jumping inside. Try to get rid of this glare here. Take a look at the 1/4 inch rear CNC venting. Got the radiant heat panel with dimmable LED, red perch tees, and black PVC perches. Going over to the next one. They are identical. See all the perch placement. Very nice, very uniform. Take a look in here. Same build. Red perch tees, black 21mm PVC perches, got the dimmable LED and heat panel. Once again, these are arcades that are 36 by 24 by 24.